apparently the bunny wants to open the package too, because she started chewing on it. Not for you. Not for you. Not for you. Not for the bun. Okay, so I got these things plugged in. Let's see what happens when we plug it into the wall. Whoa. It make noise. Oh, it's that little light. Hello. Such a dork. Okay, So, obviously, if it wasn't obvious, I replaced my sewing machine. Right there, that's the one. My old sewing machine belonged to my great-grandmother before she passed away. I'd like to think that I wasn't really into sewing or crafting, but I kind of would like to think that, she kind of was an influence that brought me to, all my artsy, crafty stuff. I mean, we used to color together a lot when I was little before she got sick. And, maybe it's weird or superstitious, but I almost feel like, and this is gonna sound, really superstitious and kind of stupid, but I almost feel like, I don't know, in a way she would be, like she left the sewing machine there for me or something. I don't know. Maybe it's stupid. I don't know. But yeah, as much as I appreciated having that opportunity, it was a good machine to learn on, but it's pretty old. So I replaced it with a whatchamacallit, computerized one. So it's got this little display thingy. It's got all of these little stitchy option things. Some of them are really complex and kind of cool. But I'll probably, stick to just normal at first. It even does little buttonholes. And then, apparently it also does like a little monogram letter stitch thingy. So, you know, I'll see what all I can do with this. Hopefully now I'll be able to actually get some projects done, because before, every time I tried to complete something, I just ended up ruining it. Alright, I'm gonna try and wind this sucker, see what happens. Okay. Okay, it says to do this. That didn't do nothing. Well, it says do that, or do this. I don't know why that scared me, but it did. Okay. Okay, I think we're good now. Okay, cool. Okay, so we put this little dude in here. Excuse me, I'm gonna go. Okay. Honey. Okay. And then come around this thingy. Ah! Why did he do that? Was he supposed to do that? Oh, okay. I messed up. Come back. Okay, let's try this again. It goes in there. It goes around here. Whoop. It goes down here. And around the corner. Okay. And then we put this doohickey back. Okay. Okay, it tells you to press that button before it tells you to turn it on. That doesn't work. So I just turn it on. And then I press the button. Okay, I think that worked. Okay, but I already did that. I'm just gonna leave that sitting out until we know more, because if I pull it there, there's a little blade and it cuts it and it disappears. It goes whoosh, poof, disappears. Okay, so I'm gonna take this dude out here. Come here. Come here. Okay. I know this part. It goes wee. Up. Around. And then down. We come in through here. I say, go in the hole. Okay. No, go in the hole. Go in the hole! There it goes. It went deep back, huh? What the hell? So it showed me how to thread the machine, and now it's telling me how to put this thingy up there. But this thingy has to be up there before you thread the machine. Brother, you doing things a little bit backwards. One of these things is not like the others. One of these things has to be done before this. And then I'm sorry for my awkward noises. That's just what I do whenever I'm doing something. Where's the page? Okay, there. And then we thread the needle. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, brother. Your manual's a bit confused. It's a bit confused, but it's got the spirit. Increase or reduce by number 1. Oh no, we're getting math. Okay. Focus. Okay, yeah, number 1 is a straight line, so I think that's the normal one, right? What's 0? Same damn thing. It didn't move. Whoa! Ah! Now I'm getting stupid. Focus, you moron. Okay. Okay, so how do I tell what presser foot I'm using? We're not there yet. What are you? Do you have like a number or some crap? Let me look at you. Okay, well, easier would be looking at the other ones that came with it to see if they have numbers on them anyway. I don't even know what you were. Okay, this says 2. Excuse me. So it should be... Ah, crap. I pressed something with my forehead. Damn it. Okay, I don't think it changed anything. That looks like it says 3. Okay. Alright, yeah, yeah, these ones have letters. Oh, of course. Okay, well, why the... This one doesn't have a letter. Ew! This one doesn't have a letter either. It just says one. Ah! Ah, crap. Damn it. Okay. Or X, maybe? Because it has like the other. Oh boy. Now we're gonna have to take the freaking foot out so I can see what it is, and I still don't know why those two don't have letters. Ah! Is there something else about freaking pressure feet? Okay, well, we're gonna take that one off and hope that it has a freaking J on it. Okay. So we need to bring you up. No, down. No, I mean up. Ah, damn it. Crap! Okay. So it's up now. We'll leave it there. Where the hell was I? Okay, turn the machine off. Are you then going to tell me something I have to do that requires the machine being on? Watch. Okay. Raise this dude. No, it already is up, right? Yeah, okay. Press the button. Oh, it just... that simple, huh? It just... I pressed the button and it just fell off like a gangrenous limb. Your limbs fall off if you get gangrene, right? Right, okay. Yay, it says J! Okay, how do I put it back on? Still wondering about all these freakers. Okay. Place it different, in this case the same, foot below the holder, so that the presser foot is, so the presser foot, is aligned with the shank. Well, at least he didn't shank my butt. No, bro, he shanked your heart. Watch Umbrella Academy. Why is this so complicated? Okay, I think I did it. Okay, why is it like... Okay, yeah, it's in there. Okay, why is this process made so complicated on paper? All you have to do is literally retrace your steps and go backwards on what you did before. Okay, it's in there. Okay, moment of truth. I got some little fabric scraps from my art supplies bin. I'm gonna pull you up. We've got both things where they belong. Put that down. Put the foot on the floor. Oh, I just sent the sticky notes flying. Better get those before the rabbit eats them. There we go. Put that down there. Hey, behave. Okay. Moment of truth. Put the needle down. Moron. Why isn't it moving? Problemo. Lower it manually, see what happens. Try moving the speed up, does that help? Nope. What the heck? Am I, like, missing something here? Okay, hold on. Okay, I've identified the problem, I'm pretty sure. So I think, like, focus. There we go. I think these little toothy duties down here aren't moving properly. Or weren't moving properly. And I'm not entirely sure that I fixed it, but we're gonna go ahead and find out. After doing some quick research, I found out that there's a little button back there that's supposed to move them up or down. And I think they were in the down position. Let's hope so. Let's see. Oh no, we're all blurry again. Yeah. Okay. How are we? Okay, we're on the right stitch. We've got that pulled back. Pull this down. Put the needle in. Moment of truth. Wish me luck, you guys. Come on. Yay, it's moving. Look at him go. You go, little dude. It's going slow as molasses. battery, but that's a problem I can fix. Yay, I did it! Yay for me. Okay. What time is it? Like, literally time for me to get ready for bed, because I have to work at 8 o'clock tomorrow. What you following me for, silly goose? I don't got nothing for ya. Okay, well, anyways, my whining broke the camera, and you know, AKA it ran out of battery. But anyways, so yeah, that's like trial run for the new sewing machine. I was expecting it to be a little more difficult. Maybe not quite as difficult as it turned out to be, but yeah. Anyways, so I'm going to make a few little like trial run projects, and then I'm going to make a little quilt for the new crib with these different little foresty theme fabrics. What do you guys think, huh? Bella? Man, pull yourself together. Alright, well, anyways, that's all for now, Frog fans. I hope this wasn't too boring, a little entertaining, but yeah, that's all for now. Keep living the Frogling's life, and we will see you later.